Hi guys, we have another legit app na lets you earn free gift cards and money by playing games. Ito yung name ng app. Download nyo lang sa Google Play Store. Kung titingnan natin yung rating, ito ay may 4.5 out of 5 stars. At may total downloads na 10 million plus. Let's open the app. Yung maganda sa app na to, is meron ka na kaagad na free 9,444 coins after mo mag-register. Ito yung mga available na app na pwede natin ma-download. At ito yung coins na pwede natin ma-earn sa paggamit ng app na to. Ito yung kailangan natin mga coins para makapag-payout tayo sa PayPal or 7-Eleven. Another ways of earning is to invite your friends by sending them your affiliate link. After playing for a while and successfully invited my friend, I can now cash out my first earning. Ito yung process kung paano ako nakapag-cash out sa PayPal. After 2 hours na pag-aantay, finally na-send din ni Cash M all yung earnings ko sa PayPal. Yung 2 hours guys, nakadepende yan. May nababasa kasi ako na days yung inabot bago pumasok sa PayPal nila. So hanggang dito na lang guys. Stay safe and God bless.